The operational energy strategy was adopted by the county board in 2021. It set a long-term goal for carbon neutrality in county operations by 2040. It's important because the county is committed to addressing global climate change. Buildings and facilities are a significant share of our carbon emissions. And so by using energy performance contracting, the contractor is working as a team with the county staff to make improvements to heating and cooling systems, putting in more efficient lighting, optimizing building automation and controls, and even installing renewable energy on some roofs.
Progress is underway in facilities across the county, including recreation and community centers. Some upgrades are complete, while others are in progress, and even more projects are in the pipeline. This multifaceted approach ensures that our community spaces are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly.
So a lot of people think we're bugs and bunnies and camps and caterpillars, and we are the largest landowner in the county, but it's really important that we go beyond just conserving our natural areas and really look at the sustainability of our brick and mortar structures like Spring Hill Recreation Center.
All facilities utilize energy to operate and create a comfortable environment for users. For example, we use solar energy to power the building's electrical systems. Also, we use geothermal and the temperature of the earth to exchange heat with the building and become more efficient. Then there is the building control systems to improve the efficiency of how we utilize the systems we installed. In addition to being part of our organizational mission, projects like these show the community and businesses that energy sustainability and energy savings are possible together in the same project.
The fantastic thing about environmental initiatives like this is the users don't really see any noticeable effect. The lights still work the same, the air conditioning still works the same. The only thing that residents will really be able to see is the dehumidification system in the natatorium will allow for a more comfortable experience for them. So the great part about sustainability is it allows us to put resources in other places. So here, it's going to result in a 60% reduction in our energy bills, which with a building this size can actually power 52 houses a year. That will save us about $316,000 on our energy bill and allow us to do other things for the community.
Overall, we're really encouraged by the data that we've been seeing. Consistently for the past several years, we've seen a steady decrease in the total building energy consumption portfolio-wide for all Fairfax County facilities. So the operational energy strategy defines fiscal year 2018 building energy use as our baseline or our starting point. Now in fiscal year 23, we were super excited to see that that was our lowest year on record in both energy use and greenhouse gas emissions. We saw a 15% energy reduction and about a 25% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to that fiscal year 18 baseline. And beyond that, we avoided about $5 million in 2023 in utility costs through our energy savings efforts.
The operational energy strategy is a vital commitment to addressing the causes of climate change. Fairfax County is creating safer, sustainable spaces for residents to live, work, and play. Together, we're paving the way for a healthier, more resilient environment where everyone can thrive.